What if your factory was producing chocolate cake? When you cook a chocolate cake, you always use the same recipe with the same ingredients, the same pan, and the same oven. But some days, the cake turns out better than others. So, what happened the greatest days? Is it the order of the ingredients? The mixing time? The oven temperature? Did you use a wooden or a metal spoon? BrainCube uses all this production data, even the subtlest and the hardest to see, to help you ensure you can repeat the best of your past. Now, imagine the same thing applied to a production line.